Danke bafethu, welcome back to Nkuli Soccer. Ngicela bafethu ningakhohlwa ukupress u-subscribe button niphinde ni-like amavidiyo eniwathandayo noma amaklip eniwathandayo. Thabiso Munyana usayine i-Kaizer Chiefs. It was a surprise signing, but guess what? I-signing yakhona ize ney'nkinga ngoba i-destroye noma iqede ama-chance for amanye ama-player ukuthi ajoyine i-Kaizer Chiefs. Kaizer Chiefs vele beyifuna ukusayina ama-right back noma i-right back ukuthi i-strengthen la position le. But-ke uThabiso Munyane mebamsayina, it meant that uma uLwandile Mabuya we-Richards Bay bayayidrobha i-contact, bayadrobha ukuthi bazama ukumsayina. Nomhleli Mabuza naye umfana laphana odlala laphana ePortugal, naye belaphana eNaturena atrayela before isizini iphela bezama inhlanhla laphana eNaturena, but izinto za-collapse cause immediately Kaizer Chiefs meyizwa ukuthi uThabiso Munyane u-available, they went all out because uThabiso Munyane, into ebhetha ngoThabiso Munyane kulama-players lawo amanye uMabuya noMabuza i-experience yaku-P_S_L. Thabiso Munyane uwine ama-trophies ayi-4 ne-Orlando Pirates and competitively, I mean, is used to the competitive nature of the game and the continental level. They knew that they're going to Africa, so bebafuna umuntu one-experience. So Thabiso Munyane, considering the fact that uThabiso Munyane vele uney'nkinga zakhe zama-injuries, but mabemthola mahhala, it means that abaluzi imali eningi, baluza nje, in fact ama-salaries nje kuphela abawakhavarayo, right? So it was a good move for i-Kaizer Chiefs ukuthi isayine uThabiso Munyane. But what about lama-player lawa? Why lama-player lawa bawangasayinanga? Because I think amanye ama-publications aze abona asho ukuthi uMabuza utrainer laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs kusho ukuthi uzosayina, kanti no, was just bekakuma-trial, it was promising. Kaizer Chiefs beyi-impress and bebaplane ukuphinde bambize futhi uMabuza azoqhubeka ku-Kaizer Chiefs. But-ke na into eyenzakalayo, mina ngazi emathimini ukuthi ayifunani i-Kaizer Chiefs ayawayifuni. I-Richards Bay, i-Kaizer Chiefs i-submit i-offer, i-Richards Bay yayi-rejecta i-offer yakhona, ifuna imali emo. Lama-team askeme i-Kaizer Chiefs amaningi. Asibuyeleni emuva kancane. Last season i-Kaizer Chiefs yalonela i-Richards Bay ama-player awu-2, cabange baboleka free of charge, uRadebe noMdantsane. But i-Richards Bay yona, they could not get the best out of ama-player awu-2 lawo e-Kaizer Chiefs. Bengicabanga ukuthi mina banobudlelwane ne-Kaizer Chiefs ukuthi bayakwazi ukusebenzisana. I-Kaizer Chiefs, they can submit an offer, bathembisane nanokuthi ngelinye ilanga manifuna vele ama-player amanye sonilonela ama-player if niyawafuna, you wanna strengthen your team, right? But-ke maseyiza i-Kaizer Chiefs ithi ifuna uMabuya, bavele bafuna imali ethe xaxa. So Kaizer Chiefs submitted the offer. Baya-confirm abantu, by the way, ama-representative kaMabuya, but-ke the deal collapsed. I-deal i-collapsiswa into eyodwa kuphela bafethu, ayikho enye, i-collapsiswa imali. Ayikho enye, imali nanokuthi i-team ifuna imali e-too much. So then mayifuna i-team imali e-too much, Kaizer Chiefs iyabona ukuthi hayi sesifuna uku-scam, sebafuna uku-scammer-ke la, and then they pull back out of i-deal ngoba i-Kaizer Chiefs imfune for isikhathi umfethu bafethu, back and forth, negotiation after negotiation, negotiation after negotiation. Bazama ukumthola for months, bezama ukumgijimisa umdlali. Why uMabuya bafethu important kangaka for i-Richards Bay, and why i-Kaizer Chiefs bewona i-future kuye? Ugude kakhulu lona bafethu, brilliant mawumbukele. I mean, i-midfielder ilona man, i-right back bafethu ene-flair, ene-skill, uyinkinga ngathi vele uyi-attacker, but no, akusiyi-attacker, udlalela laphana emuva ukuthi makuyiwa phambili uyakwazi uku-contribute-a. i-Kaizer Chiefs, cabanga lo muntu lo bafethu baqala ukumfuna ngoJanuwari, kusho ukuthi unyaka wonke bebamfuna, bangakacabangi nokucabanga ukuthi uThabiso Munyane uzoba available. So baloke bamgijimisa iyeza, okay, January bahlulekile umsayina, but nango-March, February baloke basamgijimisa, basazama ukuthi nge-transfer market bamthole. i-Kaizer Chiefs yagcina yabona ukuthi hayi, i-Richards Bay ngathi ifuna ukuskema, yabaleka ku-deal, yasuka. uThabiso Munyane immediately maba-available bavele bathi Thabiso Munyane, they went all out. Already Kaizer Chiefs, they were linked with abantu different that during that time, Omayelo, Igatara, I remember. Even ubani, there was a striker bathi uPoliveka noma ubani, but yeah, bebakhona abantu abaningi they were linked with Kaizer Chiefs. Even Oswena-Police naye bebamgijimisa. uMayambela wakhonfirma naye ukuthi i-Kaizer Chiefs iyamfuna bafowethu, wakhonfirma. Umihlali Mayambela, umfana lo odlala laphana overseas, wakhonfirma, washo yena straight laphana ku-Soccer Beat ukuthi yes, i-Kaizer Chiefs babe nama-discussion, baxoxa. Can't remember ukuthi wathini, but yeah, i-Kaizer Chiefs be-interested ngempela. But yeah, uThabiso Mnyane, I think Kaizer Chiefs they made kuzoba tested ukuthi uThabiso Mnyane uzoba right for isikhathi eside ku-Kaizer Chiefs, because siyamazi ukuthi unoku-struggle ngama-injuries. Asithembe ukuthi uzoba injury free, akwazi ukucontribute, because when he's there uThabiso Mnyane uperforma kahle kakhulu. I mean, he's one of the standout performers for i-Kaizer Chiefs. Performa kahle kakhulu mfowethu. I think so far the thing the deal is paying off ukuthi bakwazi ukuthola uThabiso Mnyane and then bangasayini oMabuza. I'm sure uMabuza beka super excited bafowethu ukuthi uza ku-Kaizer Chiefs, noma une-chance ukuthi ajoin i-Kaizer Chiefs, ngoba umfana wase-KZN uMabuza, I think yes, bekadlala i-KZN Academy if angenzi iphutha, wayePortugal. Ufana nabo uNoshislet bazana kahle, noma nayo uShislet man, uShinga noShinga bazana kahle-ke because of from the same development, ngathi ne-structure abantu ababahambisile. So it was gonna be exciting ukuthi i-Kaizer Chiefs isayine uShinga at the same time isayine uMabuza. But asazi uMabuza, angimazi ngempela bafethu, angazi ukuthi i-contribution yakhe ku-Kaizer Chiefs beyizoba njani. Why? Cause udlala even namanje udlalela i-Amora laphana ku-3rd division yasebholeni lasePortugal. This season sadlala ama-match awu-2 nje kuphela. So if he's struggling, let's say is it even 3rd division yase-Portugal, u-Kaizer Chiefs bekazoba ne-chance engakanani ukuthi adlale? That's the question. But we can't answer wonke lama-question layo ngiwabuzayo. Why? Because of i-deal ayenzekanga. So I guess we'll never know. Ngeke sisho ukuthi for sure bekazodlala ukuthi i-Kaizer Chiefs bekazo-contribute kanje. No, we cannot say that because akayitholanga opportunity umfowethu ukuthi adlale ku-Kaizer Chiefs. If bekayitholile i-chance ukuthi adlale, lapho-ke besizoba nama-views wethu a-different, ama-views wethu ukuthi hhayi uyahluleka noma kwenzakalani. But I think I cannot write off indaba ubani mfowethu, uMabuya lo waku-Richards Bay. Why? Because of uMabuya bafowethu, hayi uplayer igudi kakhulu leli, hayi player super talented. If khona iplayer igudi ilela player leli, and asazi ukuthi uFrosler noSolomons bazokwenza njani ngabo makuphela isizini, because of they have to sit down and check ama-performances wama-player ukuthi uFrosler this season uzodlala ama-game, uzodlala kangakanani, uSolomons naye uzodlala ama-game awungakhi, and i-influence yakhe izoba ngakanani, because of siyabona ukuthi number 1 laphana ku-right back position ku-Kaizer Chiefs ubani, uThabiso Mnyane, and then-ke abanye bayamlandela emuva. But at the moment futhi noSolomons udlala kahle kakhulu, bamnikile opportunity, wakwazi ukuresponda kahle, ukudlala umfowethu kahle. So I mean, like he's doing so well for i-Kaizer Chiefs, was able to grab the opportunity abamnike yona. But yeah, I feel bad at the same time. I feel bad man ngalama players lawa ayi-2 ngithi uMhleli Mabuza, yes, uMhleli Mabuza, and then noLwandile Mabuya. Ama-player amaningi ayaphupha ukudlalela i-Kaizer Chiefs. I mean, abe laphana i-Naturena, but-ke izinto mazingenzeki azenzeki bafethu. You can dream about something but ikuthola ukuthi ayenzeki. But yeah, there's a couple of players they missed out on i-move ye-Kaizer Chiefs, because khona-ke abanye baze bam-announce abafethu wathi uBalito uza ku-Kaizer Chiefs, u-Ime Ocon naye was linked to i-Kaizer Chiefs. I think we were all surprised with Thabiso Mnyane noPasika Marco maybe joining Kaizer Chiefs. We were just surprised. We were like, what is happening? Because I mean, like we didn't anticipate this at all. We didn't see this coming. I mean, umuntu besimazi nje uMhleli Mabuza ukuthi uyeza futhi uyajima neKaizer Chiefs, they have to take a decision or make a decision, but akafika khona uHuman lo kumaZulu naye ngezwe ngaye, but-ke the big one bafethu uSalumba. Awusaluma-ke, khulunywa ngazi isikhathi esingakanani, 2 years usaluma waseTanzania. Kwaphinde kwaba worse uSaluma ezodlala neBafana Bafana i-friendly wathiwa, "Hey nimbonile?" Uyezwa. But-ke the big one was, another big one was i-agent lakaSipho Mbuli uMike Makhaba meyikhuluma ukuthi we've offered i-Kaizer Chiefs uSipho Mbuli, sokusele kubo ukuthi bayamsayina or abamsayini. Cabanga-ke uqala i-conversation laphana online ufake i-Kaizer Chiefs under pressure ukuthi if ama-fans aya-react athi afuna uSipho Mbuli bekumele i-Kaizer Chiefs yenze kanjani. And leyo nto leyo yadivayida amalokhunjana ama-fans we-Kaizer Chiefs phakathi. Why? 'Cause abanye abantu bathi akeze i-Kaizer Chiefs kumele imsayine, siyamdinga lo muntu. Yiwo ama-message bengiwabona from abantu. Kaizer Chiefs, they said no. Was it a good choice ukuthi Kaizer Chiefs? I think it was. And I think it was bafowethu. I think bokuyi-choice e-right eyithathile i-Kaizer Chiefs ukuthi ingasayini uSipho Mbuli. Fana uSipho Mbuli uyi-good player but is not contributing ethimini yakhe. Go-Orlando Pirates contribute. Kubafana Bafana is a different Sipho Mbuli. But obviously we can speak of ama-positions ukuthi okay kubafana Bafana udlala le position le uba more advanced. Orlando Pirates like i-system different and ne-quality different, ama-players are different, so kunzima kakhulu for yena. Hayi ngibone uMabuyi izolo njengoba bebedlala ngasho ukuthi bashawe Orlando Pirates, ngasho ukuthi kaze yena ufila kanjani as an individual. Azikahle kamhlophe ukuthi befuna i-team enkulu, but-ke i-move yavele yacollapse ekugcineni because of khona i-player abalibona ngathi li-better than yena elizokwazi ukudlala kahle kulesa space lesa. That's sad, man. When you look at it and think about it, that's just sad ukuthi you are excited, ucabanga ukuthi impilo yakhe izochange. Kaizer Chiefs finally yakufuna only for imove yakho yokuya ku-Kaizer Chiefs ivele icollapse kanjalo. It's sad, man. Hayi ngiyamzwela umfowethu. But-ke he is not looking down ukuthi he's down. He's still like playing his natural football. Yabona la mjidi star ngizokuphinda hayi star la muntu loyo as one of the best. Kumele nje keep his head high and forget let's about what other people are saying. Just focus on football because of Betway Premiership senesikhathi edlala khona. I think manje una 5 years edlala ku-Betway Premiership and he never looked back when he was given an opportunity to play. I-Richards Bay nabo, they are a selling team, I think. Yes, they are a selling team. They've sold so many different players. Yeah, they have. They've sold players, especially Orlando Pirates bathengisele uNdaba noMbuthuma. And then they've also signed a player, but yeah, maybe they wanted more money. That is why Delia collapsed. We cannot be 100% sure. But ngicela ukuyibamba laba mfowethu. Yiwo-ke ama-player lawa ambalwa linked to Kaizer Chiefs. Danko.